In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Revolut for business. Whether you're updating your official company name or the trading name customers see, I'll walk you through what to check first and exactly where to make the change so everything goes smoothly. Before you start, a quick note on what these two names mean. Your business name is your official legal company name. Your trading name is the name you use publicly, which can be different from your legal name. Revolut supports both, but the way you update each one is different. There's one important prerequisite. Your Revolut business account must be fully active, and there can't be any active requests for information on your account. If you see a prompt asking for additional documents or verification, complete that first. Pending compliance checks can block name updates. If you need to change your official business name, this is handled by Revolut Business support through the in-app chat. Open the Revolut Business app or web, go to the in-app chat, and let the team know you want to update your business name. Be prepared to share a registry extract or other supporting documents that clearly show the new legal name. This usually comes from your local business registry or company authority. Make sure the document is clear, up to date, and shows the new name exactly as it should appear on your account. The support team will guide you through any additional verification and confirm once the change is applied. If you're changing your trading name, you can request that directly if your role has the manage business permission. Without that permission, the option to edit won't be available to you. To request a trading name change, start from Home in your Revolut Business account. Go to Settings. On the web, click the cog icon in the top right corner. On mobile, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, select Business Account, then open Business Profile. From there, go to Business Details and choose Edit. You'll see the trading name field where you can enter the new name exactly as you want it displayed. Review for accuracy and consistency with your branding before finalizing. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Double check spelling, capitalization, and any special characters in your new name because that's how it will appear on invoices and to your customers. If you don't see the option to edit your trading name, it usually means your permissions are limited or there's an outstanding information request on the account. That's it. Update the legal name via in-app support with proper documents and request a trading name change from settings if you have the right permissions.